In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a Windows 7 bootable flash disk drive. And what you need for this tutorial is going to be your CD and your flash drive. Okay, so we are going to be creating this using our command prompt. So I'll go to my start and I'll type in cmd and I'll run as admin. And when I'm here, I'll type in diskpart, enter. Okay, we'll wait for it to run. Okay, and when it's here, we're going to say list disk. Okay, now if you look here, now you'll find out that my disk 0 is the internal hard drive of my system, while the disk 1 is the flash drive which I'll be making bootable. And remember, if we go to our file explorer, you see that already I've slotted into my my ROM the Windows 7 CD from which all my files are, and then I've also slotted into my USB drive, into my USB the flash drive which will be making bootable. You look at the drive letter here is G and here is D, so you need to note distance before we continue. Okay, so we're back in our CMD environment, and I'm now going to select disk 1, which is my flash drive, and I'll say enter. When I've selected it, I'm going to clean it. Clean. This wipes out everything inside, and I'll now create partition. Create partition primary. Okay, and when I've done that, I'll now select partition 1. Alright, so when you're here now, the next thing I want you to do is to mark the partition active. I don't need to worry about these things, the codes which you'll be typing in, because if you check the description below, you'll find the whole code there. Okay, so when the partition is active, the next thing you're going to do is to format the drive. So you type in format fs, which stands for file system. File system equals to FAT32. Remember, you can also use ntfs, that is a new technology file system if you like, but here we're using FAT32, and we are going to make it a quick format so that it doesn't become a full format and go checking for back sectors. Okay, now when I'm here, the next thing I'm going to do now is to assign drive letter to this my flash. Okay, if you check now, if you look here, you can see the whole thing how it's happening. It just assigned F to it. Okay, so F now is my flash drive disk drive letter. All right, so I'll now continue. Let me remove this so that it doesn't confuse anybody. Right, and increase this further. Okay, when I'm here now, the next thing I'm going to do now is to exit from the diskpart environment, and you see it's telling me leaving diskpart. Okay, I'll now type in the source of my files, which is the D drive. So I'll say D colon cd boot, say enter, and I'll repeat cd boot again. Okay, then I will now type in the command that makes the whole thing happen, the bootsect dot executable / ntc0 space. You now enter the destination, which is drive F. Okay, let me quickly go to File Explorer. You look here, is this F, right? So come here, you now say F colon, you now say enter. It says successfully updated FAT32 file system boot code. Okay, boot was successfully updated on all targeted volumes. You see that? Alright, now the next thing I'm going to do now is to exit. I forgot to say this earlier, but before you begin to do this, you should have slotted into your ROM the Windows 7 CD, right? So before you continue, that's the process. So you open this, and these are the whole contents of the CD. Now I'm going to just copy this, right click and select all and say copy. Okay, and you now open your file explorer again and then open the flash. Okay, now paste it here. Now the whole thing now will now transfer everything, all the files inside the CD to your flash disk drive, and when it's done, it's done. You can now use your flash disk to load a new system. Okay, let's wait for it to finish. This may take a while, and I'm going to pause this video while this continues. Okay, and now that the files are done copying, I'll now have to go to my file explorer. Now I'm going to exit this, I'm going to eject it, and when I re-plug it back, it should give me this particular icon here. Then I'll know that it went very well. You see that? So this kind of is a way to check to know that the whole thing went well. So if you look here now, this icon I have on the CD, and I have it on the flash, and now this flash is bootable. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, and remember to write your question. If you have any question, just put it down in the comment section, and remember to like the video if it solved your problem. And thank you for stopping by today. Thank you.